always respect to my parents, teachers, and all and greet everyone. It's good to see to my country and my people. I bless my yours in the valley and happiness.
Okay, very good. Lift your hands on. Stand attention for the national anthem, children. Stand Jana Gana Mana